Hey everyone, we have some new additions to the farm that just came, so I thought today we could have a little bit of time with some of our newest rescues. So we all know Chloe, our resident pup. We got our goats that we've had forever. And I wonder if I give you a hint, there's this building that we have. Who do you think lives in it now? How about a whole herd of miniature ponies? My zoom isn't working. I'll bring you around this way. Here's our other goat eating some hay. How you doing, bud? How you doing? Hi, bub. Hi. Chloe, you want to go see the ponies? Oh, now you come up for a pet. Hello. Hi, bub. Hi. All right, let's go see the babies, Chloe. Hi! Oh, the puppies were hanging out with the ponies. Hi, Domino. Do you have itchy ears? Do you have itchy ears, Bobby? Hi, Domino, Butterscotch, and Midnight. These are our newest baby friends. And the puppies are very excited, huh? Do you like the horsies? That's so you can't escape, mister, because you're a troublemaker. You're a troublemaker. Hi, Trouble. Hi, Trouble. Hi. Do you like the horses? How do you feel about the horses? Oh, this one wants to go on a walk. We'll come right back, okay? So we'll walk you through some of the changes on the farm that we've made. We had this area mulched. It was a big pile of wood left over from a hurricane from the previous owners. It took a lot of work, but they mulched all of that away. And then we can see our neighbor's field over there. We have the puppies in their house. Don't mind the big pile of boxes. We have to burn those. We have the horses in their house, the goats and ducks in their house. So we are getting things going here on the farm. And I think it's just really cool to see all the cool things that we can do here. And what I'm hoping to do, maybe not all at once, because we're undertaking a lot right now, but part of my eventual goal is to get my equine therapy certification, because I am a licensed mental health counselor in 4 states, and I like to do a lot of work with trauma and chronic pain and chronic health issues. And I think that equine therapy, animal assisted therapy in general, is just such a great thing. So that's our next goal. And whether or not that continues with my online work that I do and I integrate the horses virtually, which would be kind of cool and different in a virtual age that we're in, or if we open up the farm for events and retreats and bring people on, that's what we're working on here today. So anyway, I want to give you a little bit of a walking tour and a hike. I know everyone kind of enjoys that. So just enjoy the next couple minutes on our hike. And I hope you guys have a great day full of healing. I hope everyone's just having a really awesome, blessed day. And again, I just wanted to check in and give you some more time in nature and with the animals. I think it's just so beautiful and therapeutic for everyone. So if you like these videos, let me know. I'll keep doing this. I really like doing the walk and talks with everyone and just showing the importance of movement and nature and happiness and positive things in the daily life, and maybe then just giving you a glimpse into, you know, the animal rescue side of things and the animal therapy side of things. If that's something you're interested in, you know, leave a comment, let me know, and I hope again that you guys just have a great day.